200 at 11, visibility 10, sky condition clear below 12,000, temperature 27, dew point 17, altimeter 3010.
Republic ground, good afternoon. Piper 8149 Romeo at Atlantic with Delta, ready to taxi south eastbound.
814 Romeo, taxi Bravo, run up and advise when done.
We'll taxi the Bravo, run up and advise 49 Romeo.
Brake check. Brakes are good. Your plane?
My airplane.
Your plane.
And brake check, your airplane.
My plane.
Yeah.
This is the one where my foot touches the... Set for takeoff.
Flight controls.
Flight controls. Free and correct.
Good, and
northeast, is that what you said?
negative, we're gonna go south eastbound.
Piper 8149 Romeo, southeast approved, runway 19 Bravo 2. Clear for takeoff, wind 2001 tree, gust 17.
Clear for takeoff, 49 Romeo.
Light cameras action.
On. Runway's clear.
Clear left.
Piper 0
Doors
Whiskey
left.
Charlie, start your base.
Starting base, 0 Whiskey Charlie.
Temperatures are good. And rolling.
Airspeed alive.
Check.
And 50, 55, rotate.
Behind it, my eyes are wet.
Oh, we gotta do an intro.
Yeah.
You can do your intro there.
Yeah. Hey again, folks. We're now in the air. We said hello earlier when we were on the ground getting everything prepped. Cameron in the right seat, Rowan left seat, Romario. I'm not sure if you can see him. In the back seat, back seat flyer as usual, but we appreciate him anyway. Romario has a big date coming up. He's actually turning 18 soon, and he's graduating high school. Two big days. Yeah. Congrats. So 2 big days, man. Big accomplishments. Yes. Congrats, kiddo.
Thank you.
Way to stick with it. You know, not many people stick with it this long. You know, fighting the big fight. Of getting out from under the clutches of all the negativity. So, yeah, you're one more step closer.
Line up and wait 19.
Don't worry, we have your back.
We got you. But,
Sorry. So we are climbing out. Rohan is flying taking us out to Block Island. We are climbing up right now, coming up on 1,800. Our VSI is about 500 feet per minute. It's hot. We are entering the summer days. So in the northeast, visibility usually crappy, but it's not so bad here. You can see about 10 plus miles. We head out to the south shore, clear the clear the Delta airspace, and then we turn east towards Long Island. And our GPS, so actually ForeFlight, is showing 85 nautical miles and about 50 minutes to go. But once we get leveled at 3,000, we will get a better update on the arrival time. We do apologize, it's been a long time since we made any videos. Life got in the way. I'm sure many of you can attest to that.
that's right.
Yeah, so we appreciate your subscription and you subscribing and sharing the video with your friends and family. We're not as popular as many other YouTubers, but we're getting there.
Yeah, thanks for bringing our numbers up. Just get some more people on there, bring our numbers up. You know, we could get some ads next to our name and help our pockets out so that we're not working all the time and can't make videos.
Right. Remember, we have our website, flylikeapro.com. You can buy apparels there as well. So if you feel like you don't want to just give us money, which is okay, we do both work. But if you want to get something in return, you just go ahead and buy our apparels.
That's right. I'm actually wearing one of the hats. Cameron is also wearing a hat. It's too hot for the sweatshirt, too
But you
hot.
got a t-shirt on, so that's great.
Well, I got one t-shirt on.
Yeah.
Too hot for the long sleeve t-shirts, but there's a lot of Under Armour stuff. I know you young people, you love your Under Armour. So check that out. Pajama bottoms. Do we have leggings on there?
Yeah, leggings are there.
Socks. You name it, we got it. So get on there, get something. It doesn't have to be the most expensive. In fact, we don't expect you to buy the most expensive. We just appreciate your help.
Right, just get our name out.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, so you can
clear
turn
the
on
shoreline
course whenever
here.
you're ready. Beautiful, smooth afternoon.
Yeah, beautiful.
What's your type?
Cameron, we should copy those Blue Angels yesterday.
We should copy them?
Yeah.
What do you want? Want me to do a barrel roll? What do you want? Hammerhead?
Okay, number 3.
Traffic 2 o'clock, 1,000 feet below. So they're hugging the shoreline.
Okay. I don't see them, but
They're at 1,000.
Public Tower, are you up and ready?
We're ready. 4975 Golf.
Just the 4975 Golf without delay, clear.
we're going to head out to Block Island, see if we can grab some seafood. Ron and I, we seafood buff. I think he's more of a seafood buff than I am.
I love my seafood.
Oh, yeah.
It's healthier, the healthier alternative.
Yeah.
Charlie.
Yeah.
Even though half the seafood in the United States is contaminated.
Yeah. Well, worldwide.
Mercury.
Okay, globally, it's just nasty. But the land animals are nastier, so yeah, I go with the lesser nasty.
And we got our coconut water for the hot summer days. Not sponsored by Vita Coco.
No, we're not advertising for them. In fact, we cannot advertise for them, and we're not. Don't get us in trouble.
Right. Don't send your attorneys after us,
That's
okay?
right.
No subpoenas.
You know who we're talking about.
All right. So
Oh, there's a helicopter down there. I don't know if you could grab it on your phone. It's right there. Oh,
Oh,
yeah,
I see.
that was our
I'm gonna try to
traffic,
get it.
yeah. That was our traffic at 2 o'clock, 1,000 feet below.
Okay,
I got it.
got it?
Yep.
So we're racing this helicopter out to the Hamptons. I'm sure that's where they're going. Yeah, so we're going to see who wins. Who's got their bets on the helicopter?
Of course he's going to beat us.
You? No? No? All right, better not.
You know he's going to beat us.
He's going to beat
He's
us.
already
He's
like
gonna
what?
beat us.
He's already like what? 4 miles ahead of
4
us?
miles ahead. He was behind us, and now he's 4 miles ahead.
Just a right turn heading.
Even the weirdest thing on the twin,
Yep.
we were still being trailed by a, what was it, a lead?
Led by the helicopter.
Yeah, a helicopter. I mean, he passed us, and we were like full power.
Yep.
I secretly think they had boosters on there.
They probably do. It's that turbine engine.
You got traffic 100 feet below.
That's them. 1,000 feet below.
Yep.
No, 100 feet below.
100.
Good ahead.
I don't see him. I didn't get that.
November 56, Victor Golf.
Oak Tower, 963 Whiskey Charlie going around.
Zero Whiskey Charlie.
Unless he's over the water.
Right traffic.
This guy, see that guy right over there? See him? Straight ahead, off the nose.
I see that. That's like in the water.
No, he's moving. It's gone.
Oh, yeah, I see him. I see him.
Yeah.
Okay,
Should
good.
be no factor.
Yeah.
Piper 2 Alpha
All right, I'm just going to tune over to New York approach. We're going to monitor 127, 127.5, I believe.
Yeah, pulling up on 4-5. I lost sight of that plane again, but the haze got him. I didn't get that traffic alert on mine.
I didn't
Romario
hear
got it.
anything either.
Huh?
Well, you know what, because I'm not plugged in.
You got the traffic alert. I didn't get it.
Number 4 Hotel Foxtrot, contact Islip Tower, 119.3. Contact Tower 193, 124 Hotel Foxtrot.
Approach 587 Mike Alpha, we got Yankee looking to do some touch and goes, Iceland.
Number 587 Mike Alpha, fly heading 190 vectors straight in runway 24.
190 for vectors 24.
Block Island traffic, Piper Warrior turning a final for 28 Block Island. All right, we got a short runway.
Block Island traffic, Alpha 6, Rebel Coast 5 to the northeast, inbound 28.
Auxiliary traffic, base at 541, 5 miles. Coming up on the west side of the hill will be flying over 6 field in the left side of runway 5.
200.
Auxiliary traffic, base at 541, 5 over top of 1500 will reduce left downwind runway 5 west.
Traffic overhead off to the southeast side.
Block Island Warrior back taxiing runway 28 Block Island.
Traffic, search 468, Tango.
Auxiliary traffic, that's at 541, 5 turning left base